creepy quiet out here, except for traffic. The storm. Now we just got the traffic out there. Wow, it's quiet. Now no more rain, except dribbling off the roof. Just a little bit of rain coming off the roof, but it's so creepy quiet now. Except for traffic. See behind me, it's like, it's all calm. Out of nowhere, tornado, and now, wish you could, I mean, the thunder was rattling the ground. Ooh, wow. Okay, more lightning. Let's turn around. Got the wind blown look. But it's so quiet now. Well, you hear that? Oh, this would make a good scenario to write about, a sensual scenario. A couple getting, yeah, right there's something to write about. A couple goes to Starbucks. A couple goes to Starbucks thinking you're going to have coffee. You get trapped in by the storm. Ooh, then she gets excited as the thunder starts rattling her teeth. She feels the power of something so much bigger than her. Ooh, look at that lightning. So she starts getting excited over the power of the storm. Shaking her. Now she wants to, yeah, that'll be a good scenario to write about. Wow, look at it. So obviously it's moved past us. Let's see if I can. I got gal. Okay, good. I won't get wet. I got wet, man. My darn shoes. Snazzy shoes. My britches. And my. Okay, that's enough of me. You hear the. Got more lightning. I hear sirens. Want to go salsa dance. Getting ready to head up there. Electric Cowboy, I like it. No trouble, no drama. It's not just a bar, there's a dance floor. I met like 6 last night. I got to do a little practice dancing with. I had to show one how to waltz in like 2 minutes, but she thought it was thoughtful that I'd take the time to show her. I want my woman to dance with. I can't wait to date. Tired of. Anyway, there ain't much to show you now other than just, if it wasn't for the traffic, it's really quiet. There's more lightning. Try to give you something interesting to look at before I stop. Get a good lightning shot in there. I need to take my glasses off. Yeah, I got wet. You can't tell. It was dripping down up above me. It was dripping off this edge here and got the whole side of me. I didn't feel it until I went inside. Alright, getting boring, nothing to look at. Of course I turn around as soon as the lightning strikes. God darn it. Okay, let's stay with us, folks, until this one more lightning strike. We know it's going to hit. Hear that? Ooh, that shook. Okay, it's reminding us. There's something. Okay, come on. Give us a good lightning strike. Alright, you're getting bored, nothing to look at. So, see if there's anything down that way. See the. If it wasn't for traffic, it'd be nice, eerie quiet for you. Okay, what's the last thing to look at of interest? Let's see this car pulling in, so they wonder what in the heck is this guy filming for? Wow. All right, we will end with an image of, Golly. North Roan. There we go. All right, folks. Enjoy your Saturday night. This is way cool. Let's go salsa dance.